Access to total power. Connect the air inlet pipe. Turn on the main power switch. Power light is on. Enter the electronic measuring system. Wait for the signal light to finish flashing. Click to enter the login interface. Different accounts have different access rights. As shown on the screen, it is possible to switch between different users. Click Administrator User Login. Enter password. Click OK. Click Login. As shown on the screen, Chinese and English can be switched through the drop-down option. Enter the alarm interface. Clear the corresponding alarms in sequence according to the interface displayed. As shown on the screen, repeat long press reset 2 or 3 times. Then press the stop button to eliminate the alarm. Click to enter record. The corresponding data information for the artifact test is recorded here. As shown on the screen, you can select the time range in which you want to export the data. Click here to export data to a USB flash drive. For transportation safety, the machine will have fixed devices. Make sure all fixed devices are removed before power on the machine.